The 1200-meter race is on its way. Ito na ako! Draws 4-year lead, moving up in between the runners. Holly Bear, Breaking Bad, running on the outside. Kitek, Willie racing in fourth, down in fifth, Jade Avenue, and a long way back to California Shine. About to pass the half-mile pole. Eto na ako, leading the field, running on the outside, Breaking Bad to grab the lead, and racing in third, Holly Bear, Kitek, Willie getting closer in fourth, then comes Jade Avenue, and California Shine, still the tail-ender, routing towards the 450, Breaking Bad just in front, Holly Bear moving up on the outside. Eto na ako! Once again, down on the inside. Kitek! Willie moving up on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Holly Bear, eto na ako, Breaking Bad. Kitek! Willie moving up on the outside. With 75 meters, Jesse Basilio Guse on Holly Bear. Second, Kitek, Willie close between Breaking Bad and eto na ako. Jade Avenue, California Shine, comes in last.
Okay, top choice. 6